7:30 so maghahatid ka mo ng ako lang mag-isa.
Age would you let me have?
Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again, Steph, and for today, may meeting ako ng 7:30 so it's 7:11 na. Mag-aayos lang ako ng konti, mag-meeting lang ako for work, and then dadaan ako ng school ng mga kids kasi I need to grab some documents. Ay, hindi ako mag-grab. I'll be submitting some documents for Joseph. Nag-email kasi yung school, may mga hinihingi lang silang documents. And half day lang yung mga kids today kasi it's their quarterly exam, kaya kailangan makapagluto ako agad ng lunch kasi for sure gutom na gutom yung mga yun pag uwi nila and matutulog sila tapos mag-review. 2 days lang yung exam nila. So, yun lang. See you later! Nandito na pala ako sa school ng mga kids. Si Pons, naiwan na lang siya sa kotse. Ingat lang. Register po. Thank you. So, ito ang school ng kids. Hindi ko naman na itatago kung saan sila nag-aaral. Kasi very secured naman ang mga bata dito. Hindi sila ibibigay kung hindi ikaw ang guardian nila. And separate ang labasan ng commuters, fetch, and service. Dito din ako nag-aaral. Email from Miss French. Sir, student po to. Pwede naman. Doon siya na, sa malaking church na Mabalacan. Sige po. Sige na lang Sige na lang
Na?
Spam silog daw kayo.
Isang spam silog. Tatlong silog.
Sama rin po sa...
Oo, magkakasama kami sa isang pong lechon kawali.
Pwede din isang top silog.
Ano sa'yo?
Sige na lang.
Tsaka isang pork silog.
Dalawa mo na yung pork silog. Isang chicken ala king. Ay, may ganon? Saan mo galing natin? Di mo nakita? Yan o, girl. Pwedeng papalit na lang yung isang pork silog ng kasi kare-kare.
Itlog.
Ayan, ulit yung sarap. Can I start eating now? Yeah, sure. You put your tablet on your lap. Kuya. Hi guys, we're here now in Kuya Sefi and Elisa's school kasi we're about to pick up Joseph dahil hindi to yung dismissal time niya today is not the normal dismissal time. May practice kasi sila for the upcoming feast day ng saint nila. Yung saint nila is yung section nila. So, they go to a Catholic school kaya may mga pa-feast day, saint day, ganyan. And then after this, we'll be going sa Angeles kasi meron kami kailangan asakasuhin na documents. And then after that, uwi na kasi may pasok pa si Fons pang GY kasi siya tonight. Hopefully itong inaayos namin, ito na yung last kasi medyo stressful mag-ayos ng documents, to be honest. Are you sure? Are you shy to take a vlog? How's your day? Okay lang. Shy ka? Saan? Sa vlog. Magkano sa ganito mo?
400, ma'am.
400 ang kilo.
Yes, ma'am. Ilan, ma'am?
Isa lang. Magkano? Tanong mo nga.
800 rin.
Anong gusto niya? Bukit eh. Dalagang bukit. 300 lang. Lapu-lapu. Dorado. Ilan? 1 kilo, Daddy.
Hi guys, maghahatid kami ng laundry tapos breakfast sa McDo. Parang brunch na.
Hey, guys.
Hi guys, so ako lang mag-isa. I'm waiting for my friend and then pupunta kami sa restaurant. I-meet up namin yung iba naming friends. Itong group of friends ko na to, I've been friends with them for 7 years na ata. Ilang taon na ba si Elise? Oo, mga ganon. 7 or 8. Tapos, yun. Mag-meet lang kami. We try to meet once a year. Kasi sobrang busy na schedule. Tapos lahat kami may kanya-kanya mga lakad and all. But we make sure na nag-meet kami at least once a year. Yung mga low maintenance friends mo. Ganun. So, see ya. May kasama na po sa loob. Yes, ma'am po. We're very sorry. We're late. Hi, sis! Thank you! Makarine! Ako may inform. Kasi, exchange gift? Gcash ko na muna. Yes. O na next year na mas.
Kasi ko na akong pa Instagram pa ako yan eh. Basta pa i-drop na ako ng ano. Okay. Sige. Sige tayo. Yes, please.
Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's us again.
I'll ask you questions. What
What?
what age would you let me have a boyfriend?
Probably around 15 to 18.
Wow, so early. How about you?
Ayaw yan ng 15 to 18.
Just let me.
30 years.
No! You have a girlfriend when you were so young, Daddy. So, okay, I'll ask you a question. Will you let me have a tattoo? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, good. I don't want those gangster. You know those.
From what kind of girlfriend do you want me to get?
smarter than you.
Wow!